Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're all well. Right, so today's card is going to be using All Things Thanks as well as the First Frost stamp set. Beautiful sets, one perfect with lots of thank yous and the other with some great images which I'm going to show off today. So let's move them out of the way. This is today's card. It's a cute 4x4 which is using the You Are Amazing stamp set and is using Balmy Blue and Crumb Cake together. So let's put that off. So to start with, I've got a base measuring 4x4 in Balmy Blue, and I also have a coordinating mat also in Balmy Blue. So what I'm going to do is, so we can have some detail on the background, is I'm going to bring in this large vine stamp. There you go. And I'm going to stamp that in Balmy Blue. Now you'll see that this stamp is not long enough to reach end to end. So I am just going to try to do my best in making it look as even as possible, so there's not any large gaps. How super quick and easy was that to make such a detailed background? So let's move all of that out of the way. And now we're going to bring in, we're going to attach that to our base. Before I forget, like I always do, so let's stick that down with some snail adhesive. And this just measures 1/4 of an inch smaller around all the sides. So that's the base done. So now we're going to bring in a scalloped circle cut out of Crumb Cake, and that's from the Layering Circles Framelit dies. And you get absolutely loads of dies as well as circles. So you get the circles and the scallop. And as you can see, it just gives a teeny tiny scallop border around the edge. So now we're going to bring in this flower stamp as well as the Crumb Cake ink, and we're just going to ink that up like so, and just position it slightly to one side and stamp it down. So while that does look darker at the moment than our example, it is going to lighten up, so I wouldn't be too concerned that there's a difference in the colour. So now for the sentiment, I've got the You Are Amazing stamp from the All Things Thanks stamp set, and I'm going to stamp that down in Memento ink. And once that's inked up, I know I want this towards the bottom, like so. Just going to stamp that down. Move that off. Right. So there is a reason as to why I didn't attach this to the scallop, and that's just so I can make sure I can get it straight. Like so. And once it's on, I'm just going to pop 4 dimensionals onto the back. Peel them off. And then bringing in the card base, I can just pop that on there like so. And there you have today's card. I hope you like it. And while you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where you can see a full list of products used and where to purchase them, as well as you can like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and why not share this to your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a pretty card. I will see you around. Bye guys.